Hello procrastinators, it is 3 on the 26th of November 2020, and less than an hour ago a man in a van came to my house and gave me this. The Dell S2721DGFA gaming monitor, which means I can finally replace this heap of junk. So this video is just going to be an unboxing video. I will admit I did break the seal, but I haven't unwrapped anything, I just had a look inside. So, goes. Wow, look at all this stuff. We have a USB 3 Type A to Type B cable. We have a HDMI cable. Wow, look at that. Fantastic. And we have the cable that I will be using, DisplayPort cable. You have to use this in order to get the full 165 Hz of the monitor. With the HDMI cable you can only get 144. Then we have a European power adapter, which is random. And we have the one that I'll be using, the good old British Violent power adapter. Have a warranty and service information. I'm very excited for that. I have a power sticker. It's not very power efficient, it's G, so we can put this on the monitor to remind myself of how much energy I'm using. We have a sticker that tells you to stick the sticker over the display. What? Don't know. And here we have the stand. Wow, it's quite weighty. The stand is one of the things that I didn't think I liked about the design, but the rest of the monitor was so good that I thought I may as well get it. But it feels like metal. I don't. Maybe it's because it's been cold because it's been in a van or in a warehouse for days, but I think there might be metal all over, you know. This is definitely metal. That's like a nice cast bit of aluminium or something. Yeah. Now for the exciting part. Wow, we have an instruction manual. Fantastic. This tells you how to put it together. I will use this because I don't want to break it. And here we have the stand. Wow. Fantastic. This one goes on the back of the monitor and this goes in that cast bit of metal we saw. So firstly, I need to attach the stand to the base. So it says 1, put it in. Wow. Sorry you didn't see that, let's do that again. Look at that. And now we have to turn it over and use this intriguing screw thing to screw it in. So far, a really nice experience. The next step is to get this and place it onto the monitor and then use that to lift it out. It feels like I'm undoing somebody's dress. No, I'll put the thing on. How do I put the thing on? It literally just slides in with these tabs apparently. That was easy. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. There it is. The Dell S2721DGFA. Look at it, it's great. There's no bezels, it just when it's off, you can't see where the screen ends or starts. It goes up or down. You can tilt. You can do this. This is all really basic stuff, but I don't have it at the moment, and it's so nice. Let's have a look at the back. Wow. Baby got back. These here, this is meant to light up blue with LEDs, and you got your controls. Let's have a look at the ports on this monitor. So here we see the ports. We've got the power adapter, 2 HDMI, the display port. I think that's either input or output. Not really sure for audio. And then we've got the USB-B port, and then I think that supplies the data to these 2 USB Type A's and to these 2 more USB Type A's, which are all USB 3. And then you have a headphone jack. I guess these are both outputs, because I thought the audio would come over the HDMI or the DisplayPort cable. I guess so. This means I can finally stop using VGA with a DVI adapter on my 980 Ti. Finally move to something modern. Yeah, I guess you could tear it down. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. Been using it for a few hours now, and it is really good. It's such an upgrade over the 1080p 60 frame 60 Hz. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe maybe, only if you want to. Bye.